Many have overlooked the keen enjoyment which comes from knowing birds. People commonly believe the more interesting birds are found only in remote places. Yet it is surprising that with a little encouragement, many birds will come to our yards and gardens. A pair of field glasses is helpful in recognizing birds, if the glasses are handy when you need them. A friend of mine keeps his binoculars and the bird guide near the window. With these aids, he and his family are usually able to identify 100 different species in or near their yard during a year's time. After verifying the more difficult identifications, they record each one on their bird-checking card. The spruce trees' protected branches provide a homestead for nesting blue jays. The neighbor's daughter, Joan, during a long illness, was able to watch the housekeeping activities of these birds from her bedroom window. The blue jays, which are among our most intelligent birds, raised 5 precocious youngsters. The young jays grew rapidly and soon left the nest, but Joan long remembered this family of blue jays, which brought so much enjoyment during a period that would otherwise have been monotonous
and lonely.